Hey, this is my wood pile that I use for my firewood. These are tie ends, non-treated, and I need a better way to move these other than just the bucket with the front end of the tractor, especially when I get some dirt and stuff like that that kind of builds up at the end of the pile. You can see there's lots of good wood in there, but there's also a lot of dirt. So I am wanting to build a rock bucket slash wood bucket for my tractor that will allow me to sift the dirt will fall out and the wood will stay in the bucket to hopefully make it a little easier for me. So I'm going to start on this project, and I will try to tie all these videos together to let you know how the process is coming along. This is what I'm starting with. This is a blank quick disconnect for my tractor. This is what all the new buckets are coming with. This one here, I actually bought it from Weaver. However, it is a Garvette, so I guess they must work together. This is just out of some real scrap metal, so I think I've got $84 into that plate there. And I end up having to buy a piece of 1/4-inch plate bar that I'm going to use for the leading edge. It may not be heavy enough, but I'm putting this together with strictly scrap material that I have gathered from my scrap pile. It may or may not work. I don't know, but we're gonna put this together, and we're gonna see how this process goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually square this to see if before I start tacking anything. So I'm going to pull it from one corner, if it'll stick it there. And it looks like I am right about 66 1/8. And go the other direction. We'll make sure before I do any tacking. Helps if you have another person and the phone isn't in your hand. But we're coming to this corner, and it looks like I'm about 66 1/8. Looks like it's good enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and tack in just a few tacks on this and get these. I think they're like 1.5 by 1.5 square, pretty heavy. Looks like they're not 3/16 thick, but we're going to get started with that. Well, I went ahead and centered up the middle of the center to center, and so this is a 5-foot total width. So I was at 30-inch. I went ahead and I get a nice little tack on that, and down there, kind of windy out today, so I am getting a little bit of porosity in a couple little spots, but nothing that's going to cause me any trouble yet. I did put just a slight amount of lean to it. That is kind of the way the loader on the tractor's got the scoop bucket has got quite a lot. It's about 30 degrees, but I just thought a slight amount, so give this a try, and then I'm going to go on a couple more steps. I have several pieces of metal already pre-cut, so what I've done here is first got started with. This is 1/2-inch rod. I have a whole bunch of this stuff. If I need to make it stack it, I can. I'm going to start out with this here, so it's going to have the larger piece there for structure and support, the middle, and on the other end. I'm going to start out. The first one is basically about 1 3/4, I think, to the center of the rod, but the wood is 1.5 inch, so it puts everything else exactly 2 inch on center. And I'm going to go ahead and continue across this here, just tack them in. I'm making pretty good headway, but I did have all these 1-inch rods already cut. But I am just kind of tacking them in, and I'll continue across the other side here. I think I have enough of the 1-inch or 1/2-inch rods already cut. And then I will go from there to extending the plate out and putting a gusset diagonal piece on both ends to kind of make it more look like a bucket, but it's coming along pretty good.